Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Wan Rodiana binti Wan Ali. My supervisor is Professor Dr. A. Ghaffar Ahmad. I'm from School of Housing, Building and Planning, University of Science, Malaysia. The topic of my research is taxonomy of traditional and modern architectural style of heritage shophouse facade at Ipoh, Perak, Malaysia, and this is my presentation. Ipoh, located at North Peninsula Malaysia, once was the most productive turning oil field in Malaysia. The development of the city caused a lot of shophouses was built since the colonial era. The shophouses are still around until today and they become the cultural heritage property. These shophouses are unique because of the various architectural style of the facade. The photos show the rows of shophouses at Jalan Sultan Iskandar Shah, Ipoh. However, not all of the shophouses are well preserved. Some of them, as we can see at the slide, are facing problems. For example, first photo shows that there is dilapidation and modern element added at the entrance. Second photo shows the change of wall paint and additional of modern element at the window. The third photo shows that the shophouse was left dilapidated and demolished. The photo of row shophouses at the bottom of the slide also shows that they are facing modification, alteration and other actions taken that does not comply with conservation principle. This situation, known as inappropriate change, occurs on the tangible elements of the shophouse facade. It caused difficulty in documenting an inventory process to classify the architectural style, as there is no system for the classification of building facade image. If the observer does not have the knowledge in classifying the architectural style, he or she might face difficulty to find out which architectural style it belongs to. Mistake also might happen in the documentation or the inventory process. Therefore, for this research, a taxonomy for the classification of characteristics for two major categories of architectural style, which is the traditional and modern, will help to add knowledge in this subject area. This is my research background. The research scope is the facade of heritage shophouses within the heritage area of Ipoh. The heritage area had been gazetted on 18 of December 2014 due to the provision of Town and Country Planning Act 172. It covers an area of 255.20 hectares, which includes the core zone and the buffer zone. This is the illustration of the components of typical heritage shophouse. It includes facade, commercial area, airwell, dining, kitchen and bedrooms. This hybrid building is facing the road and have covered walkway called 5-foot walkway or kaki lima. The table shows the numbers of heritage shophouses in Ipoh according to its architectural style. The largest number is eclectic styles, while the least number is the Art Deco styles. The total shophouses recorded in Ipoh is about 1,022 units. The function of facade is to deliver the information of the building, including the design, the function, its significance, and the interior as well. The illustration shows the main component of the facade, the tangible elements such as roof, column, ornament, fenestration, door, window, and 5-feet walkway. This is the description of the tangible elements of the heritage shophouse facade. There are 5 main elements such as structural, enclosure, opening, fenestration, and ornamentation. The sub-elements of structural are beam and column. The sub-element of enclosure are roof and external wall. And the sub-element of opening are door, window, and air vent. The slide also shows the illustration of typology of heritage shophouses in Ipoh. The traditional design is categorized as heritage importance, while the modern design is categorized as non-cultural importance. This is the research process. The research began with preliminary interview to identify the issue. Then, the literature search is carried out to identify the tangible elements of the facade to prepare a checklist that will be applied in the fieldwork. The data collected from the fieldwork then had been analyzed using thematic coding to develop a taxonomy of traditional and modern style of facade. The research process ended by preparing a report. This is the findings of the research. The table shows the differences between these two categories according to the tangible elements of the facade. For example, the ornamentation of traditional design. The facade may display the natural motif, architrave, and classical features. Some of the style might have a keystone on top of the opening. Meanwhile, the modern design only displays an image of simple geometrical motif. Lastly, it is hoped that this research may add knowledge in the process of classifying the architectural style of the heritage shophouse facade in Ipoh, and it may also give benefit to the stakeholders in conserving and restoring the original design of heritage shophouses. Thank you.